We've got a Megalodon 3 here with a Torqueedo 1103C ultralight. It's a 3 horsepower motor, electric motor. I've got the pole steering system set up on this, and I can get up to about 7.5 miles an hour just solo, using it as a toy like this before I outfit it or trick it out for fishing or anything else. You can add seats, of course, and everything else, but it's kind of fun like this. It's almost like surfing. Really maneuverable. And once you stand up, it's like you're surfing. Cool about this is it's like really fun for just recreational use, but you could also use a motor like this with our motor bracket and trick it out for fishing, you know, whatever you want to do, either on our Megalodon 3s, our Switch Pro, or the new Flywater boat. So just one way you can use it. On the 1103C, I have the additional aluminum motor mount bracket to spread the load up onto our full motor mount system. Super simple, super easy to set up, sets up in minutes, no cables, no stuff to run. I've got this as kind of handheld and with the lanyard attached to my wrist, so if I fall, it would kill the motor. But this can obviously be installed permanently. It's a more permanent setup. But just wanted to show you guys what this is like out on the water. Really fun. 2 people on this for the 12-footer, and with the 15-footer, you could get 4 or 5 people on there. And of course the seating and everything else makes it even more comfortable, versatile for turning it into a little boat.